All right, we are doing the integral from -2 to 0 of this complicated function, 1/2 t to the fourth plus 1/4 t cubed minus t dt. So the first thing you need to do is find the antiderivative. And what you do is you add 1 to each exponent. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And then you multiply by the reciprocal of your new exponent. Well, 1/2 times 1/5 is 1/10. You just multiply straight across for your denominators. So add 1 to your exponent and then do 1/4 times 1/4, 1/16. Add 1 to your exponent and then multiply by the reciprocal of your new exponent. And that's going from -2 to 0. Now, I think it's important, especially if you're new to this, to plug in your upper bounds for all of those. But 0 to any power is still 0. So we're looking at, 0, because 1/10 of 0 is still 0, plus 0 minus 0. But I think it's important that you write that, because if you don't and you only plug in this lower bound in everywhere, you might forget that you need to have a minus in front. So -2 to the fifth power, first of all, it stays negative. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That's how many. I was just multiplying by 2 5 times. 2, 4, 8, 16. -2 to an even power makes it positive 16 sixteenths. And then -2 squared is positive positive 4. Half of 4 would be 2. So hopefully that all those signs made sense. So again, I'm not going to concern myself with any of those zeros. We have the negative of, this does reduce to 16/5. And then you can get the same denominator on these. So it'd be like 5/5 is the same thing as 16/6 because it's equal to 1. Minus 10/5 is equal to 2. So now you can look at that and say, okay, -16 plus 5 is -11, minus 10 is -21, but you have the negative of -21, so it's positive 21/5 if you do that in your head.